Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a third option to make a layout without spending any money on scrapbooking supplies. Let's say that you have a white 8 by 8 piece of paper, cardstock, whatever you have, and this picture. There are several options. For example, I cut out from the magazine I showed you in my previous video. I cut out these two corners. This one and this one. One option, you can place the corners here and here. Then you can add the word celebrate here and one of these chevrons here. You can also add the other one here. It's better this way, I think. And then with the crayon, let's say in what color, a yellow or maybe kind of orange, you can make some lines around the border of the picture. You can add more if you want, another color, and that's one option. Another option is to use this border and let's see, maybe use this corner here. Add the word celebrate here, and then you can draw something here or more lines. You can extend these lines. You can also cut the chevrons and add them here. Let's say I'm going to use the green one to match the corner. And I'm going to add some lines. Like so. Let's use a blue here to distress the border. You can see it's really easy. Let's put all this together again. The corner, the picture, like so. The border and the word. And you have a beautiful layout using almost nothing. Nothing. Of course, as I always say, you can add more items if you have some other things you can cut out from even greeting cards that you may receive on the mail, in the mail. You can also add this corner here. Let's see how it looks. Like so. So it's just a matter of using your imagination, thinking outside the box, and as I said in the very beginning, looking around your house. There are a lot of things you can use to start scrapbooking and not spending any money. In the future videos I'm going to show you how to start adding things, scrapbooking items, to create your stash and have more elements as well as more possibilities. Sorry. There are very inexpensive items that you can get to make your layouts more professional. So you slowly go on building your stash and adding items as soon as you are able to afford them, and I will give you some tips about what are the things you have to buy first, the things you can buy later that are not so essential. But as you can see, you can start right now. You have no excuses. If you have a picture, you can make a layout right now. So again, I hope this helps you to start and enjoy this wonderful hobby. And if you like this video, as usual, give me a thumbs up, become a subscriber, ring the bell to be notified whenever I upload a video, which is usually on Mondays, but sometimes I participate in challenges, so I upload in some day in the week, during the week. And thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.